Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Jacob Cultivates. Thank you all for being here with me today. We have a super exciting episode going on right now, guys. We have this gorgeous 1989 Hindu Kush crossed with White Widow, ready for harvest. So, in my last video update, I was talking about this 1989, and I thought we were ready for harvest a week ago, but actually she needed a little bit more time. This cultivar, being the Hindu Kush crossed with White Widow, has a general harvest window of 10 to 12 weeks. And we're at the earlier portion of that harvest window, and the trichomes are showing that. When we get down and we take a look, we'll see that there's about 10, maybe 15% amber coverage. That looks pretty good to me. I'm liking that. My main decision for taking this 1989 down on the earlier part of the harvest window is the fact that when we look around at all her foliage, we can see that it's well depleted. It's all dried up and falling off, and there really isn't any more lively green foliage left for the plant to suck nutrients from and put it in the buds. So this tells me that we're at the maximum plumpness that we're going to get for these buds. They're not going to get much bigger, if any, and all we're going to experience from this point forward is more trichome degradation. So at the 10-week mark for this 1989 right here, we're good to go. I had asked the viewers if you guys would like to see me perform the harvest, and we got a few bites in the comments. I really appreciate you guys interacting, telling me what you see, what you want to see, questions, comments, concerns, advice. I'm open to it all, everyone. Please feel free to hit those comments. So I had asked if you guys wanted to see that. Some people said yes, and we're going to do it. I'm setting this up different angles while I'm cutting. We're going to have a little bit of music in the background, and that's going to do it for the talking portion of this update. This is the 1989 harvest. Thank you all for being here. Much love.
Scissors hum in quiet rhythm as the glow turns warm and fine. Amber crowns are leaning heavy on the 1989. Every cut is like a whisper from an older sacred line. History falling gently while the younger branches climb. Skunk Afghani waking softly with a steady eager shine. Like they're reading every sign. Past and future trade their secrets in a cadence so divine. Light slow, but slow.